Hi everybody. The question arose in class, where is our view column on our admin panel? If you look over to the left-hand side of your menu bar in Google Analytics and come down to the bottom left and click on the admin button, you'll notice that your screen refreshes and typically you have three columns. Now the reason why I have three columns now is because the number that's identified with my Google Analytics site begins with UA. This UA indicates that this site is being shown in the older version of Google Analytics application. If you have a website number that does not begin with a UA, then you most probably, for the property, most probably do not have the view column. Now, how do we get that view column up? Not a problem. All we have to do is click on the Create Property button. Once I click on the Create Property button, I name my property. I come down and I make sure that I choose the correct time zone that's associated with my website. I don't have to worry about currency or anything else. Below this screen is a Show Advanced Options. I'm going to click one time on the Show Advanced Options. A flyout occurs and you'll see a choice, Create a Universal Analytics Property. With that, I come over to the right-hand side of the screen and I click on the toggle button and turn on the Create a Universal Analytics Property. Now, I have to attach or connect my website with this specific property. The website that I'm connecting is my professional website. And I'm going to come down to the radio button, Create a Universal Analytics Property Only. I'm going to click on the radio button to accept it and then click the blue Next button at the bottom of the screen. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and choose my industry, and I'm just going to choose computers and electronics for me, the size of my business, and some of the things that you may want to measure. Now you can always go back and change this if for some reason you don't choose one, some, or all of these. So it's not permanent. You can come back and definitely change this. Once I'm done making these selections, I come down to the bottom left and I click on the blue Create button. Now that I've done that, you'll notice in this case, I get a tracking number that begins with the letters U as an uncle and A as an apple. When I have the tracking numbers that begin with the letters UA, I am working with this particular site in the Universal Analytics format. With that, I will then have a column that will allow me to create a view and use all of the view features. Happy clicking!